Hi everyone, today I'm talking about changing text spacing in Scrivener. And no, I don't mean the actual line spacing like single, double. I mean the spacing between paragraphs or bits of text that are specifically for display purposes. Usually when creating a digital document, it's better to use the tools to create extra spacing rather than simply pressing extra returns. This is because returns aren't always recognised when these documents are processed or uploaded, and you don't want to risk that. So, to be on the safe side, you need to use the text spacing tool in Scrivener. This feature is found under the Format menu, Text and Spacing. This will open up the line spacing pop-up. In the spacing section, add the space before or after that you require and click OK. In case you're not familiar with this, 12 point usually equates to a line space of normal text. As you will see, there is also the option to change the line spacing of your document to something other than single. This isn't recommended for ebooks and in fact is very annoying to readers if the text is artificially spaced out. E-reader devices and apps give you all the options you need to add and remove space if you wish when reading. If this is forced on the document, it may annoy readers. For more Scrivener tips, click here. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.